Sean William says the very first date he went on after his marriage ended was garbage. It wasn't his date's fault. I was comparing her to my ex, like oh my ex would not do that, which is currently unfair, William tells in verse. I likewise wound up speaking about my ex a lot. William and his ex-wife separated 6 years ago, shortly after the birth of their child. He wasn't prepared to date. Jumping in too quickly wasn't without effects. The date was with someone from his past, somebody he was good friends with. I ruined a good friendship, he states. We ought to have just stayed pals, but rather, we lost that relationship. It wasn't worth it. Whether it's who to date, how to date, or whether dating might impact their kids, single fathers have a lot to stress over. According to the Pew Research Study Center, the proportion of American households with minor children where a daddy is the sole head of home have actually increased from 1% in the 1960s to 8% in 2011. Inverse talked to 6 single dads and a clinical psychologist about the obstacles of dating as a solo moms and dad and how to evaluate what's finest for your own mental health. How do I know when I'm prepared to date again? Thomas D. Blasey, a scientific psychologist and assistant teacher of psychology and human relations at St. Joseph's College, tells Inverse the truth that William's mind was still preoccupied with his ex was a respectable sign he wasn't ready to date. But if the relationship is still actually on your mind, you might wish to hold off. If you can imagine your life with another individual. If you have a crush on another individual. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.